Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration of how data can be linked between your Excel sheet and your PowerPoint. Now keep in mind this only works if you have installed versions of Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel. It will not work if you're using the online version. Repeat, it will not work if you're using the online version. So what does this look like? We have a document here, top row, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to take this data, copy it, Control C, go over to my PowerPoint, Control V, and you can see that the data is here. ABC 1, 2, 3. All right, now let's see what I can do. If I bump up the font on this, what happens over here? Nothing. Is that good or bad? I'm not going to worry about it. But let's see if it's going to be smart enough to change the data that I have over here. So I type 32, and now theoretically I should get a 32 over here. It's not. So let's take a look. I just copy pasted. Let's Control A, delete that, and now I'm going to do the same thing. Control A, Control C, and now on this side I'm going to do File. Where's my paste? I'm looking for paste. Home, paste. All right, there, paste, and we're going to go with paste special. And in this case, I'm going to link it to a Microsoft Excel object. I'm going to paste the link as a Microsoft Excel worksheet object. Paste link. Let's see what happens. Okay, now we have the link. I delete that noise in the background. And now when I modify this, the data is automatically updated. So what happens if we change the formatting? For example, we go with a different font. You can see the different font changes as well. I'm sure there's all kinds of formatting that I can play with that will take care of all of this for me, and it does. So there it is. Keep in mind, Office 365 Online does not do the same thing, but it does work connecting your data between your Excel locally and your PowerPoint locally. So you can build your data sheets, connect them directly to your PowerPoints. So if you have presentation, sales presentation, you update your numbers on one side, it will get updated in your presentation on the other. All right, thanks for watching and happy computing.